Hey, how is it going? Today I will show you how to get Unlinked on your Fire Stick, as well as the best codes to use there. This way, you will get access to the best alternative app stores with loads of different applications, such as movie apps, television shows, live television, live sports, and so on. The whole guide is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. Now, firstly, you will need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally free of charge. Just do the search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search. And usually, there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You just click on it and now it should load. That is right. Here is that app which you have to get, the orange one. So, you get Downloader to your device, but it is not over yet because you still need to set it up. So, now in order to actually set up Downloader, we will need to go to Settings. So let us go and open the settings on your device. Here we are. Then go to My Fire TV. And the next step is you have to turn on the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, those developer options might actually be hidden by default. So, if that is the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it is really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And make sure to do it fast. So, let us do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says, no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them to access the new settings menu. Make sure to turn on the ADB debugging in here, then go into installation of those unknown apps. And from here, you just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet. And not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that is exactly what we will do right now. So now we head straight back into the list of apps on your device, and there is the Downloader which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. It is of course connecting to a VPN. Using a premium VPN service is super important for this process. They are super fast, and they have got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android televisions, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And most importantly, they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they only cost a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in the VPN app is connect to any server. Let us say I will connect to a secure server right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay safe. And now finally, let us use Downloader safely. So we go back into the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader and let us open it up. So we open the application, and now here at the top, there is a search bar which we need to use. In here, we will need to enter the links. The link is going to be unlinked.link. That is what you have to enter. So let us enter unlinked.link. If I am entering too fast for you, then do not worry. You can just pause the video and enter the link at your own speed. Just make sure to enter it correctly because otherwise, obviously, it will not work. So enter unlinked.link and click on next. And then this web page will open up. So we have to scroll down a little bit until you see that download APK Android button. Click on it and now the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then after the app actually gets downloaded, you also need to make sure to install it to your device. So click on that installation button right here, and the app will be now installed. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it is better to press done, because now that way, you get an option to delete the installation files, which you do not need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So just click delete and delete once again to save yourself the free space. Now, the next step is we need to go back to settings. So here we are. Let us open the settings. Again, we have to go to My Fire TV and then open developer options, installation of those unknown apps that we have previously already visited, but this time we are looking for Unlinked. So we have to turn this option on because we will be using Unlinked to get other apps from the web as well. Now we come back to a list of applications on a Fire TV stick, and here is Unlinked. So now first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote, and that menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and that way Unlinked will always be at the very beginning of your application list. That way it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you will need it. Just of course, do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and totally anonymous online. And now let us finally go and open up the Unlinked application on your device. So we open Unlinked. Now here you have to click on Add a new library, press it, and now this keyboard will appear. So we will be entering a couple of codes, maybe 3 or 4. Each code is a different alternative app store with different unique applications. So that is why it is beneficial to have more than one code, especially nowadays when a lot of apps are getting blocked or removed from the Fire Sticks. And now the first code is going to be Fire TV Guru. Once again, if I am entering too fast for you, then do not worry, just pause the video and enter the code. So it is once again, it is Fire TV Guru, and then we click on Next. Now, I had to blur out my screen because of the platform rules, but in your case, of course, it is not going to be blurred. And this is an amazing alternative app store for your Fire Stick with loads of applications of all kind. Movie apps, television shows, live television, live sports, and so on. The majority of apps in here should be updated and work on any Fire Stick device. And yeah, this is the first code that we have used, but now let us go back and we'll be getting even more codes for you today. So go back and click on Add a new library again. Now, the next code is going to be Xenonetic. Xenonetic, once again, it is Xenonetic, just as I enter on my screen. And then again, we click the next button. And again, just like previously, I had to blur out the screen for the same reason as always. And this is another alternative app store that you are going to use on your Fire Stick or Android television device, as well as Google-based devices. They are pretty much the same nowadays. So this alternative app store also has quite a lot of useful applications, as well as loads of different media players. And now, let us enter even more codes for you. Now the third code that you are entering is going to be Fire Stick as a word. So let us start entering. Once again, it is just Fire Stick as one word. Enter it as you can see and click on Next. So that is the third code already. The apps that were added to this alternative app store were added less than a month ago. So all of them or almost all of them will be updated and working on all Fire Stick devices. So if some of your applications got blocked, stopped working, or maybe you are just looking for new apps, maybe you just got yourself a Fire Stick or Android television, then this code should be a great choice for you. And now, another code that we will be entering is going to be everything, again as one word. So just enter everything using this keyboard on your screen, just like I do, right here on my screen. So once again, it is everything as you can see on my screen. And now, simply click on the next button. And this is already the fourth code for us today. So once again, it has quite a lot of amazing and new applications for your Fire TV Stick device. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, make sure to hit the like button below. Actually, it does help the channel a lot. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update here on TechVibes. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye for now.